Hello and welcome to the last video of the playlist where I solve 5 problems from the cryptography section of picoCTF. So for the last one, I am going to solve Pixelated. The description here says, I have these two images. Can you make a flag out of them? So it is evident that we will have to combine these two images to get the flag. Okay. So what I have done here is I have written a Python script use where I use the bitwise XOR operation to get the output. Okay, so here is my Python script. So let's see what happens here. I have a function named add images, which takes image 1, image 2, and output path as parameters. And for image 1, I have given scrambled1.png. For image 2, scrambled2.png, and an output file which will be written here after we get our result. So for the first step, we will have to open the image, and then I converted that those images to numpy array because we will be using the bitwise XOR operation from numpy. So I have first converted this to numpy array, and then when we call this function, what it does is if both the elements of these two arrays are same, it outputs 0, and it outputs 1 if both elements of these two arrays are different. So that is the work of the bitwise XOR operation. So this result is then stored in result array, which is then again converted to PNG because we have to see that image. And then I am writing that resulting image to our output path to get a new file of output after combining those two. Okay, what we are doing here, what um, this is basically to enhance the scaling of those images. So let's see if I remove this, what happens. Save it, run this. Let's see. So the output is just a blank image, and we can see that there is something over here. So this is why we have to enhance these pixels. That's why we will have to multiply these arrays with some constant. You can try out any constant that works out for you. I have tried a few and seen that 165 and 165 gives me a pretty accurate result. So I've given 165. So let's run this and see what the output is. Okay. So now we got our flag, which is picoCTF 1B867C3E. So let's write this down here. picoCTF 1B867C3E. Okay, so we are done with all 5 of our challenges. Thank you very much.